Hi everyone, this is Barkha from Raining Arts. Today I am going to give makeover to this wooden palette. First I'll apply Morpose to stick scrapbook paper. Gently press the paper to remove wrinkles. I'll sand off the excess paper with sanding block. For the spacing part, I'll use blade to cut the strips. Click on the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. This is scrapbook paper, it's thick so it's easy to cut it with blade. I have two wooden hearts. I'll use gift wrap to design these. Then I'll use Morpose to stick. Remove wrinkles with the help of plastic wrap. I would love to know the country and city you are watching from. Remove excess paper using sanding block. Now I will use glue gun to glue these on the palette. Just press it down with your hands. I made this bow to glue it here. Just press it with your thumb. I am going to make two holes with drill to hang it with jute rope. I'll cut some twine. Make a note. And it's ready. Isn't it beautiful? I enjoyed making it with you. Hope you guys also enjoyed it. Happy crafting!